Alright guys, it's been a while since I've done an update on what's going on with the Lincoln. I've been concentrating a lot on what's going on with the Subaru, but this might seem like a small thing, but here we go. Here's the next thing I'm doing. New hubcaps. So let me take you outside and show you what we got going on with the hubcaps on the town car. Alright, so here are the hubcaps right now. This is the old one on the town car. It's all loose. And when I went out to get the tires rotated last time, they didn't secure them right. Probably because they were so old and they fell off. So the only one that didn't fall off is this one on the front. So I lost 3 hubcaps at my last tire rotation. So I had to buy new hubcaps. So let's see how these fit. So these are, I'm going to go ahead and keep these hubcaps for a little while in case they fail. But they, yeah, see, they're all busted up and broken. See how busted up and broken they are? So see if this one fits. Line that up like that. Like that. Man, that is tight. There you go. Take the tape off of it. Now the only thing that this one doesn't have, that this one does, is see how the words are black? To get that exactly done correctly, to get the exact actual hubcap, they want $109 a hubcap. I bought 4 for $75, and the only difference was is it doesn't have this black writing. So this is what I got now. I got this one on the back now, and it looks good. And that looks good. It actually makes it look like brand new. So, can't complain about that. Let me go ahead and do that same process to the other side, but I'll have to pull the car out to do that. As I turn the car around, the upside to losing all the hubcaps, I guess, is you don't have to take the old ones off to get the new ones on. Like that. Yeah, that works really good. Take that off like that. Yeah, they blend in real well. The way the guys shipped these is awesome. They did really well shipping them. They're perfect when they got here. And this wheel needs to be refreshed. The clear coat's coming off of it. I gotta look into doing that next. Most of the stuff I do on the town car now, it's just maintenance. You gotta make sure they line up perfectly. Like that. Take the protective cover off. There you go. Once I figure out how to get these refreshed, this will look good. But the other 3 look really, really good. So, there you go. That is how you put on the hubcaps. So I didn't have, you know, I had one, actually, to be totally honest, I had 2 of them. Those 2 over there fell off. The one in the back here was gonna fall off when they put it on. They damaged it. But you know, they're almost 20 years old, so, well, they're 18 years old now. So yeah, there you go. So that's how you put hubcaps on, and that's, you know, mostly what I've been doing with the town car is just maintenance. So look at that. It looks good though. There's the new hubcap. Like that. So mostly the town car is just maintenance right now. There's nothing really wrong. I put the sway bars, redid the whole rear suspension. There's nothing really neat to do to this old car. So that's just a little update. No, I know there's been a couple of my subscribers been asking for some stuff for the town car. And there's some stuff for the town car. So thanks for watching.